back again with another video, and I'm doing a review on NZD USD and Gbp.Jpy line. Now I've been watching these two markets for some time now, and I realized that Gbp.Jpy has been, NZD USD is in a strong uptrend. I've been following it from the daily, so I'm sorry if I have all these Fibonacci's on here. I've been marking from down here and the strong trend line going up. I'm predicting it to come all the way up here. It's been in a downtrend, however the trend has reversed down here. Let's move to the 4 hour. Sorry if I have a lot of Fibonacci's on. It's just that I've been trying to mark up price to prove that it's a downtrend. So what I've been, prove that it's an uptrend. What I've been doing is I've been taking the swing highs and swing lows. So I've been taking here, give me that 618 retracement takeoff. And I've just been matching it up with the trend line. We have that pin bar right here to tell that the market is going to go up. Same here. We got that tweezer bottoms. Sorry guys if I'm talking these things out of turn. If you look at the candlestick Bible, they can tell you what those means. Pin bars, doji, harami patterns. I've been learning a lot about that recently. So the 2 weeks that I've been off, I've been actually reading and actually trying to memorize my candlestick Bible so I can have that added sense of confirmation. So what I did here was I realized that this was a very good trade because it came off the trend line. Then I marked from my previous swing low to my previous swing high, and I got that 618 retracement right here, which gave us a bullish engulfing candle, which is another thing that I learned also. Gave us that 618. The market went kind of sideways from there. Tweezer bottom right here again. And now we're up here where we're seeing its continued trend of bouncing off that 618 area. So that's the reason for all my Fibonacci's, guys. Now it came here. I'm predicting the market to come all the way up here for the previous swing high. However, it's been acting a little strange. However, it's still at that 0.50 area of retracement. So I'm still predicting it to come all the way up here because it struggled to go up, it rejected and come back down. So that's what I'm currently looking at. Let's move down to the 15-minute to show you what's happening. Now I got in this trade prematurely. Let me say prematurely because I saw the setup and I was just looking for added confirmation, which I did not get. So if you look here, you can see let me put a little line there. Let me take off this Fibonacci. Now if you should look right here, I like to trade patterns as well as Fibonacci. I just like to mix up things here and there. Now I've realized that if you look at this V right here, it's not actually a V, it's a head and shoulders pattern. If you're looking carefully, it's an upside down inverted head and shoulder. This is a shoulder right here. And yes, if you should draw it wick to wick, let me see if I can get a line right there. If you should draw it wick to wick, let's zoom in a little bit. You can see that it's a perfect head and shoulders right there. I was looking for an added confirmation just to add to my my long bias because I actually am going long on this trade. So I believe I entered somewhere here, looking to take this all the way up to 45 pips at about it's considered 2.5. and of course based on my candlesticks book, the reason why I've started to incorporate candlesticks is because I want to have tighter stop losses. I want to know exactly what the market is doing. So what I did was I realized that if you were doing the pin bar, once you get a pin bar, the market, your stop loss should be at the pin bar. If it's not, if it passed the pin bar, you are dead wrong. So what I've been doing is I've kind of limited the amount of entries and exits that I've been doing with the pin bar. So I just put my stop loss right here. I know if it goes past the pin bar, I know I'm dead wrong. So it's just kind of managing my risk to rewards better. I am predicting the market to go all the way up here. I will post the results, and of course I posted I didn't get to post a trade yesterday on NZD USD. I made about $330 something. I think I posted it on my my wall. So but I am predicting that the market to go all the way up here for this 48 pip stop loss. I mean this take profit right here, and if I am wrong, it's gonna be about 6.3. So you can see the 7.75 risk to reward ratio that I'm looking at. I've been really trying to master this candlesticks confirmation. So that's what I have for NZD USD. I'm currently in Gbp.Jpy. So I'm sorry guys, I need to take off some of these. I'm in Gbp.Jpy. I entered right here, and that's for 2 reasons. So let me break it down from the daily. I'm sorry guys, I don't like to delete my charts lines. I like to keep everything on there, but I'm gonna clear it up just for you guys. All right, so if you're looking again, we see this head and shoulders pattern right here. If you guys are not seeing it clearly, let me just mark it there, show you. Right, for viewer purposes, I'm going to remove everything. And so what I noticed was a head and shoulders pattern. So I was like, cool, market's gonna go up, retrace, of course. So what I did was I did my Fibonacci's, of course, and as you can see, came down to that 618 area, went up. It still did not hit right here, new high. So I know it's gonna do a mini retracement. Also, this is a little area of support right here that I've been watching on the daily. Let's move down to the 4 hour now, so you can get a clearer picture of what I'm talking about. So got this sell idea because I didn't take this sell because it was a bullish market. I don't take sells in bullish market because anything can happen. Oh, even though I got the candlestick confirmation, we got this is called a tweezer top. No, this is not a tweezer top. This is a bearish engulfing right here. Came down, rejected as well with a pin bar. Yes, you can trade upside down pin bars as well. Came back up, rejected that area, so I knew that it's going to come all the way down here. Now I was looking for confirmation to go all the way up here, which I did get that confirmation. I got this little tweezer bottom right here along with this doji candle, which signifies that the market is turning. I'm currently in the trades, guys. It's right here. I'm currently in the trade, so I'm just waiting to see what's gonna happen. Now let's move down to the 15-minute. So as you guys can see, I'm not gonna exit even though it's retracing, coming back down here. Not gonna exit because this is just players coming into the market to trick you guys. So I'm gonna wait and actually wait for my TP, which is right up here. And if it surpassed my TP, I'll be looking to take it all the way up here. So I'm looking to probably hold all the way up here. So I'll be trading my following my stops. If I can get that, I would go to 275 pips, which would be, I entered at 179.275, would be about 35. So hopefully that's what the market does. Not predicting JPY to get any form of strength, to be honest, because of the height in the COVID spikes that has been happening there. So I'll be holding this trade for a really long time. If I can get it to come up to my TP right here, I will be trailing my stops, of course, just in case we get stopped out. I will be moving to break even when I hit my first TP, and then I'm gonna ride it all the way up. Another added confirmation that I should tell you guys about the pin bar is that you can use the 20 EMA, right? When the pin bar is at the 20 EMA, you know that it's gonna be a bullish run. So that's one of the signals that you can do as well. I'm gonna end the video here. This candle is not gonna scare me. I'm not gonna just whoosh and pop out of the trade. I am confident in what I'm doing, so I will be giving you guys the heads up on the video. So just stay tuned. This is a little long video, but that's just my breakdown for GBP, JPY, as well as NZD USD.